Welcome back to Midnight, ladies and gentlemen. We're here with another unboxing again. This one, I believe, is a Stranger Things pop.
Okay.
It's a Netflix original series, and it is one of my favorites. Hopefully this will be what I think it is. Need to sharpen this knife too. That'll be bad. Stab a big hole through it.
You could have used my knife. I wanted to.
That's the special unboxing knife. Okay. Here we go. It is wrapped pretty good. I like to see that. It means there's a good chance this is still in pretty decent shape.
Open it up and the entire box is smashed.
Ooh, you've got tissue paper. This is a good eBay right here. And here we have it. 11 with Eggos. And this is the chase.
Cool.
She has the blonde wig on from the show. If you remember that episode. Normally she has the shaved head, as you can see here. But that is the chase. 11 with Eggos. This is a pretty hard one to get. It usually sells pretty high, but I got this at a good price. And that's pretty awesome. So, come back here for more unboxings. Like, subscribe, let us know what you think. Until next time, see you at midnight.